I want to get this video out there as soon as possible because right now everyone has one question on Magic Eden. On their Twitter, on their Discord, everyone is asking, where are my NFTs? You can see people being frustrated and NFTs are missing. First of all, I want to tell you that this might not be that much of a problem because I've seen network congestions like this on the Binance Smart Chain because I am heavily invested. I was heavily invested in a lot of play to earn games there, and sometimes I'll have NFTs missing for 2 or 3 weeks. On Zoo, I had over 2,000 NFTs. At the time, there was over 50 grand missing for a few weeks. It was just network congestion. You could have synchronized them. They made a website just for that. Magic Eden, I guess, Solana is I guess they don't have that much experience with loaded networks. I hope this is the case. Everyone is very, very frustrated. This you list your NFTs basically and they're missing. It's not someone sending it over. You basically have the picture removed from your NFT. You list it, you don't see it unlisted, you don't see it anywhere, and it's not in your wallet because you're basically sending it over to Magic Eden. So right now, if you're if the project you invest in is going up or down, my NFT is missing. Where's my NFT? Got drained. Can list my NFT. Okay, please. Yeah, this is not good. Yikes. It's no longer in your wallet, yeah. So I just want to make a quick update. I think it will be fixed. I can see that the whole website, the Magic Eden website, is very slow. Right now I'm showing my small cap account. If you want to see what I'm buying, subscribe. I'll list it. I'll tell you what I'm buying right now. And also on Twitter, I do that very quickly on Twitter, Dr. Niki YouTube or something, Dr. Niki YT. Something you should know is that right now I am in, I bought some Degen Cyclops pretty cheap. I was up 2.5x yesterday on them. Didn't really sell any, maybe one. I also have a bunch of Degen Cyclops. Here they are. Forest Industry, bought those by mistake, I guess. Robot Factory, very, very cheap. The floor is very cheap as well. What else do we have? Sleepy Pandas, I've got a lot of those. So yeah, that's pretty much what I bought. If you want to claim $4,000 from Bitget, check the link in the description down below. See you next video. Bye.